Hello, welcome back to Jakubication. Today we're going to talk about type conversion and casting in Java. Type conversion is when Java converts between types for you. Type casting is when you, the programmer, takes an action to convert between types. If you've seen my math operators video, you've seen the most common case of type conversion in Java. When you do a math operation, Java will type convert the smaller type to the bigger type, widening conversion. When you put a smaller numeric type into a bigger numeric type, a widening type conversion happens. Widening conversion, the value of the variable of the smaller type is copied into the variable of the larger type, and the empty space is filled with zeros. And here, this is illustrating you have a byte variable of 5, and then copying that byte variable into an int variable. An int is 4 times the size of a byte, so the byte's copied into the int's first slot, and then the rest of the space is filled with zeros. Narrowing conversion. Java won't allow narrowing conversions or bigger types being copied into smaller types automatically. You need to explicitly tell Java you're okay with potentially losing some data by doing the following. Long A equals 5, int B equals parentheses int A. That int in parentheses is telling Java only copy this value over to this variable going by the specified type's range. So only copy over the range of an int and then stop. That's what this illustration is pointing out. Long is twice the size of an int. So only copy over the size of an int and then throw out any data that might be left in that long. Ciao.